So slipped discs or sciatica. Slipped discs or sciatica are very frequently diagnosed, and we see them all the time. Every day we'll see them in clinic. Essentially what a slipped disc is, well, first of all, the discs do not slip. So a disc does not slip in and out of position. So between each vertebra in the spine, apart from the very top one, each vertebra in the spine, or top two, have got discs between them. Now, everyone's probably familiar with the idea of people saying, I've had a slipped disc, or someone said they've got slipped discs. Discs don't slip in and out. They may bulge, they may prolapse, which is where the central part of the disc pushes out, but they don't slip in and out. There's good research as well showing that even if a disc does bulge or even prolapse, in the vast majority of cases it will improve itself. Given time, now it might take months for that to settle down, sometimes 18 months for symptoms to settle down fully, but they do improve in the vast majority of cases. Now in some cases, a disc might push out to the side to such an extent that it compromises or compresses this yellow thing here indicates the nerve root that's coming out the side of the spine. So the spinal cord goes down the centre and the nerve roots come out the spine, at the side. Now the sciatic nerve, which is the nerve that we talk about when we mention sciatica, is made up of several different nerve roots. So L4, L5 and S1 predominantly make up the sciatic nerve. If you get a compression or irritation to any one of those nerve roots, you can get pain referred down the leg, that's referred pain or sciatica. But referred pain can also happen in the arm through compression of the nerves in the neck, or down the front of the thigh through compression slightly higher up in the back via the femoral nerve. So sciatica is just compression or irritation of the sciatic nerve, typically by irritation of one of the nerve roots, or sciatica can be caused by compression as it travels through this little area here called the sciatic notch and down the back of the leg. It could be compression through muscular compression or irritation, or other irritations to the nerve as it passes down the body or down the leg. I think one of the things we remember with sciatica or with disc irritation, degeneration, prolapse, bulging, try not to use the word slipped disc, but slipped disc if you want, is that time they generally will settle down. Mobility, flexibility, appropriate pain medication and anti-inflammatory medication sometimes is important. If you have symptoms where you have bowel or bladder changes, significant changes, so incontinence or unable to pass water or go to the toilet, or you find you're losing muscle strength in the leg, you're unable to walk properly, not due to pain but due to weakness, these are very important signs that need to be sent really to A&E because it can be indicative of some significant compression to the spinal cord. Now, if there's significant compression for any length of time whereby the muscle doesn't function properly, that can lead to long-term health problems. So that is one thing to be mindful. If you have sciatic pain or any neural pain and it changes to affect the bowel or bladder in a very significant way, or you're unable to use muscles, that you're unable to lift the toes, you're unable to walk on your tiptoes, not due to pain but due to weakness, then that is what we call a red flag symptom and you should consult with the doctor or go straight to A&E and have an assessment there.